Okay, welcome again to the second part of this video. So now we are going to use real number. So let us see how real numbers are used in mathematics. So first we have EDL and EDA. Both are almost same, but EDL stands for Euclid Division Lemma, while EDA stands for Euclid Division Algorithm. So now understand the difference between these two. The first part, EDL, stands for Euclid Division Lemma, which is a step of two numbers A and B, where A is equal to BQ plus R. Just like division, if we see, suppose 5 divided by 2, 2 to the 4, 1 is the remainder. So there were two numbers, 2 and 5. Okay, so using the bigger number as dividend and 2 as divisor, we get the quotient and the remainder. Just as simple. So after writing this formula, so we can use 5 is equal to 2 into this 2 into this 2 plus the remainder. So this is lemma, and when this process is repeated again and again till the R becomes 0. If R is not equal to 0, you will not be able to find the HCF using EDL and EDA. Okay, so the uses of real number are to find HCF. Simply we say HCF. So for finding HCF we have two rules, EDL and EDA. So in EDL it is a lemma, that is a formula. So the formula is as follows. We have two numbers A and B. So it can be represented as A equal to BQ plus R. While you have to apply a condition here, 0 less than equals to R less than B. So we had two numbers 5 and 2. 5 and 2. So we did EDL lemma, we did. Now we will use this theory again. Here R is not equal to 0, so we have to repeat using this 2 and this 1, that is the quotient and the remainder, that is 5 into equals to 2 into 2 plus 1. It is the first step, and the second step is 2 and 1, the quotient and the remainder. Here if I divide 2 by 1, we get 2, 1s are 2, remainder is 0. So we can write it as, here we can write A is equal to, here we can write here we can write 2 is equal to 1 into 2 plus 0. So remainder becomes 0 since R is equal to 0. Therefore required HCF we get is 1, the value of B. So this was the repetition of the step again and again. So lemma means a formula. When we apply this formula again and again till r becomes 0, it becomes algorithm. Okay, so we will study about the things later on. Just for today, you just understand EDA is the step, is EDA means algorithm. When we apply EDL till r becomes 0. So this was the conclusion, that Euclid division lemma is a formula, and that formula is again repeated and repeated and repeated till r becomes 0. So we will elaborate with it with an example in the next class. Thank you.